Some rice bran and corn germ processing industry to pre-press leaching method is the main. The first rice bran and corn germ press, and then use some organic solvents to separate the oil to extract the germ oil. This method is called pre-press leaching method. The pre-pressing process can extract about 80% of the oil, although the oil yield is low. But the oil quality is good and the quality is high. Powder the pre-pressed cake. After crushing, it is sent to the leaching equipment to extract the residual oil in the cake. The amount of corn germ oil obtained by this method is large and the oil yield is high, and the high degree of automation of the leaching production line. The application efficiency of the material is high, so that the benefit is greater, and many corn germ oil production plants choose the method. The main steps are cleaning, pressing, steaming, leaching, evaporation, extraction, refined. The wet meal obtained by leaching can also be used in the processing of animal feed and other products after stripping and drying. Rice bran is a byproduct of rice processing. It is a mixture of rice embryo and broken rice and the skin that is rolled off during the grinding process of brown rice. Rice bran is the essence of rice grains. The composition of rice bran varies with the variety, the conditions of grinding and other factors, and it is often used in animals. Processing of feed and extraction of rice bran oil. Rice bran oil extracted from rice bran also has a very reasonable fatty acid composition. Fresh rice bran contains a variety of endogenous enzymes, including lipase, peroxidase, etc. If not properly treated, oxidation will occur, so that the acid value will rise rapidly, resulting in bran rancor. Therefore, rice bran oil production needs to be treated first.